Today I'm working on a 2006 BMW 5 Series. I work here in Michigan, and they use a lot of salt on the roads. And the car came in with no brake pedal, pretty much was towed in. So here, this hard line is rusted out here, real bad. So you can see it right there. It's leaking brake fluid everywhere. It travels behind this panel. Up there, you can see it, some more of it. It's also very rusty. It goes up over the subframe, next to the fuel tank here, over the subframe, and it splits off. They both go to the rear calipers. So repairing this, here's flex hoses, they're in terrible shape too. Repairing this is going to be a pretty big job. You can see that it's not really worth trying to splice into it and make a custom little line to repair just the section that's broken, being that it's all in rough condition. So subframe probably have to come down to do this correctly, and it'll be a lot of labor time. This could have been avoided by doing, like I've shown in other videos, some kind of a fluid film or even oil coating the bottom of your car on a regular basis. I mean, you live in a climate like Michigan or any of the states that use a lot of salt on the road in the winter. You want to do that. If you want to drive your car, especially if it's more than a couple years old, you want to keep it coated. And yeah, that'll avoid a lot of this. So it's a little bit more effort up front, but it's well worth it in the future. Thanks for watching.